At the Tokyo Auto Salon 2024, held from January 12 to 15, the Tom's booth showcased the Tom's GR Corolla Type TK. This model, a manifestation of the passion and preferences of driver Takamasa Katsumura, a former F3 driver and current participant in the FIA World Rally Championship, featured a widened stance of approximately 30 mm on both front and rear fenders, derived from the Toyota Corolla Sport. The front bumper incorporated intakes, and outlets were added to the front fenders and hood bulge, enhancing aerodynamics and cooling performance. With a widened front tread by 60 mm and rear by 85 mm, the GR Corolla Type TK achieved superior maneuverability. The powertrain, a reinforced 1.6-liter inline, 3-turbocharged engine found in the GR Yaris, was further enhanced. The drivetrain included the optimized Sports 4WD system GR4 from the GR Yaris. Based on the RZ grade, the GR Corolla Type TK showcased an aggressive design inspired by WRC machines, featuring enlarged front bumper openings for improved cooling efficiency. Additional large canards and side diffusers ensured stable handling on various road surfaces. The rear boasted a Tom's Barrel 5 exhaust system, a dedicated rear diffuser, and a rear roof wing, significantly altering the overall impression from the factory version. Driver Takamasa Katsumura expressed his thoughts on the GR Corolla Type TK, stating, "It's the second model following the GR Yaris, and we made various improvements, allowing me to do more of what I wanted. After insisting on my preferences and making numerous adjustments, it's finally completed. The actual car looks much cooler than photos or videos." At the Tom's booth during the Tokyo Auto Salon 2024, in addition to the GR Corolla Type TK, other vehicles such as the Lexus IS 500, the first public appearance of the Alphard, the debut of the Lexus LM chauffeur study model, and the Prius were showcased. Furthermore, the 80 Supra was unveiled as the first model in the restoration project, attracting significant attention.